I'm of the idea that sustainability should not cost you any more than a normal home. It's just about designing well and really understanding your site, really understanding the local climate and how the house is going to be operated. So once you have an intimate understanding of those elements, then it becomes quite easy to design something that will perform well. We are in a beach town, Barwon Heads. The site itself faces north towards the rear. You have a nature reserve, and behind that is the Barwon River. The brief that the client presented was for a house that was part of the landscape and bringing that nature inside the home, living one with nature, and also an energy efficient home. So the main driving idea behind the design of this home was having the living spaces in close proximity to the treetops and inviting that view inside those living spaces. As humans are almost hardwired us to be drawn to nature. We are part of nature. Then it's only natural that we feel at ease when we are close to nature. The principles of biophilic design, being able to look out to nature, look out to the river, the body of water, using natural materials. You can see clouds passing by. That connection to nature makes your life better. As you approach the site, you're very compressed as you come in. There's a series of arbors that lead you to the front door. And then once you're in there, slowly the views to the reserve start to reveal themselves. On ground floor, you have the double garage, a rumpus room, the main bedroom with the ensuite and walk-in robe. And there's a couple of equal-sized bedrooms with a bathroom and laundry. Upstairs, you have the combined space between living, dining, and kitchen with a drinks cocktail bar to the side. There's also a small home office and powder room. The external materials of this house are predominantly spotted gum, timber, and brick. There's a little bit of brick at the front garage. They wanted a house that belonged to the landscape, so it made sense that to use those natural materials. But also it had to do with the use of sustainable materials, so sustainably sourced timbers. And we wanted a house that was going to have a low level of embodied energy. And that translates to the interior spaces quite nicely. Here you see the use of timber floors upstairs, but also polished concrete at ground level. You have the walnut joinery. Sustainability is ingrained in our DNA. And to us, it doesn't mean that it has to cost more. If anything, sustainability should be complementary to the design and not intrude in the budget. So this home has been designed passively for solar access. Its main windows are facing north, but they're also properly shaded. There's the inclusion of a operable louvers that allow you to get maximum sun inside the home in winter and completely block it in summer. One common thing that happens in two-story homes, especially the ones where you have the living spaces upstairs, is that they tend to get quite warm in the upper level. So we placed windows quite strategically to allow for that cross ventilation, but also we added high-level windows so that at night, or early morning, you can open those and they're automatic operable, and you can purge the hot air. In essence, this is a project that is successful because it captures brief quite well. The clients wanted a home that was part of the environment. They call it their tree house. They say they feel like children in a tree house. And I think that's a really nice way of putting it. It's a house that belongs to this nature reserve. It blends in, it doesn't stand out. This house is part of the landscape.